Welcome back to Lee's Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kenyan beef stew. So if it's your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome. So for today's ingredients, we'll need about 2.5 pounds of beef. I will turn on the heat to medium and place the meat in the pot, and I'm not gonna use any water. I just leave the meat to cook in its own juices. So I will cover it up and let it cook until all the juices are dried out. Then I'm gonna brown it. So for the ingredients, I will need about 4 potatoes that I've cut in half. I'll need about 4 carrots that I've sliced up into small slices. I'll need about 1.5 cups of peas. I'll need 1 large red onion. I will need 1 bunch of cilantro or coriander leaves. I will need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. I will need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. For my seasoning, I will need 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and some salt to taste. This is about 1 tablespoon of salt. I already cooked my beef in its own water, and I browned it a little bit with its own oil. So in a clean pot, I will add some olive oil. You can use whatever oil that you prefer. So this is about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I will heat my oil in the pot like this. Then I'll add, this is 1 large red onion. So I'll saute the onion for a few minutes until they are a bit brown. Then I will add the garlic paste, and the ginger paste. After this, I will add the tomato paste. This is 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I will add in my seasoning, which is the salt. I will add in the tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix that in. Then I'll add in the potatoes. that, I will add in the tomatoes. These are 6 tomatoes that I pureed in the NutriBullet. So I'll let the potatoes cook for a few minutes. Then after that, I'll add in the carrots. I'm gonna add in some little water. This is about 2 cups of water because I want the potato to cook. I'll let it simmer for a few minutes, between 10 to 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, when the potatoes are almost done, I'm gonna add in the beef. I didn't want to add in the beef earlier on because it had already cooked, so I did not want to overcook it. So I added in the beef and the peas. Mix it up. So I'll let this boil for a few minutes until the peas and the potatoes are well cooked. So now my potatoes are ready and the beef stew is ready. So I'm gonna add in, last but not least, I'll add in the cilantro or the coriander leaves. And this time I'm not gonna let it cook. I'll just stir it and turn off the heat. So I'll just stir it in there. This is just to give it some flavor and some color. And I'll turn off the heat. And this is all for today. This is delicious. You can make it with coconut rice or plain rice, or just eat it with chapati or whatever other food side dish you have. It's very delicious and tasty. As you can see, the stew is not so watery. It's just thick and nice, and it looks very delicious. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, for now, it's bye.